Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So for a while, for a few years now, I've been noticing that a lot of these smaller car-related YouTube channels get sponsored by Superclean. And I always wondered how good that stuff actually was. Well, as luck would have it, I won a random comment contest over on the MKS YouTube page. And what did I get? I got a bottle of Superclean. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's take a look and see what we got. Now let me tell you, I've never been excited to open a bottle of cleaning product before. But this is something new. Like I said, I didn't buy this, but Superclean's not really sponsoring this either. They sent it to me for free because I won a contest on someone else's channel. Oh, there's two things in here. Just put that anywhere. What do we got? Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. And Tough Task. Oh, okay. So is this the same product in two different forms? There's stuff flying everywhere. Flyers. Okay. Let's see. So I'm going to say these are the same products in two different containers. So we got a spray and a spray bottle. There we go. No? Oh, that actually doesn't smell bad. Kind of reminds me of something. What does that remind me of? What does Superclean remind you of? If you used it and you smelled it, what does it remind you of? Something from years ago that I'm pretty sure everybody used. Let me see if I still have a bottle of what this reminds me of. I don't. Whatever. Now, cleaner degreaser. To avoid damaging
surfaces, always pre-test an inconspicuous area for surface integrity and check to see if the color is affected. Depending on how you're using Superclean, wear gloves and or eye protection. Avoid prolonged contact on motorcycles, aluminum, untreated glass, and painted surfaces. May cause burns to eye and skin.
Okay, wear your gloves. Alright, let's find something gross to clean. No. Okay, so even in my messy, gross shop, I don't have that many really nasty things to clean, but let's try a few things here. Spindle, drop spindle off of the from the Mustang project. It's got grease caked in the threads here. We'll spray a little on there. It says using the appropriate, where did it say?
Cover surface with Superclean in the appropriate strength, allowing time to dissolve.
I don't see where it says what the strength should be. How about, do you have a cleaning brush that's gross? This is a brass brush packed full of who knows what. That should be plenty. Yeah, tasty. Hey, how you think that's going to go right through that paper? Now, it doesn't say anything about not using it on plastic, and this little gas jug I have, it's got a bunch of gunk on it. Every time I open it and fill it, I'm afraid I'm going to get dirt in the fuel tank. So let's clean up the top of this so I don't have to worry about that next time. Maybe I should have scraped the dirt off first. So we'll let these three soak, and then we'll go under the car and scrape some gunk off the bottom side of the car, because there's some, I don't know, 60-year-old grease and stuff on the underbody, and just we need to get that out of there anyway. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's set this aside. Brush. Let's see. I guess, how do you clean a brush without another brush? Oh, look at that. That's gross. Can you see that on there? Look at that gross stuff. Ugh. 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 Oh, I just touched it. Oops. Put you back. Kind of want to add a little more and knock some more out of there. That definitely, you know, it looks like a brass brush again. All right, spindle. Might be kind of hard to see, but there's grease in the threads and, you know, just general grossness. You know, that's not bad, huh? You know, I mean, sure, that's a light grease coating, but if you're degreasing machine parts like this, engine parts maybe, that's not bad. That's not bad. Let me get a clean paper towel. And, yeah, that's pretty clean. It's a cleaner. It cleans. Imagine that. All right. Yeah, I think most of this is dirt, but it's got, you know, fuel residue and other unknown gunk. Oh, it's clean. Time will tell if the whatever that's made out of will haze this plastic. I kind of doubt it. This is fuel-safe plastic. We'll find out. All right, now let's go crawl under the Mustang and see if this works well or if it's just sprays it everywhere and makes a mess. All right, so I'm an idiot and I didn't hit record before I, you know, gave it a little scrape to show you how bad it was and then spray it on there, but there it is. It's working. Look at that stuff turning brown. And it says don't breathe the vapors. I would agree. That stuff is nasty, which I guess is the point, right? Dude, that stuff just slops off there. I'm not pushing very hard. That's gross. All right, let's just rinse some of it off and see what it looks like. This is just water. Well, I can actually see some paint there. Looks kind of reddish, purplish. Yeah. I guess it works. Of course, this stuff is really thick here. I'll show you here in a moment. I'll move the camera over so I can show you how bad this side is because I didn't record it like I was supposed to. You know, that's not bad. That is gross. I mean, even this you can see is gross. Here, maybe this right here. Can't really see it. Oh yeah, look at that. There you go. Look at that. There's a good example of how bad it is. It's just flaking off. Gross. Now this one, before I sprayed it, I didn't scrape it at all. I just hosed it on there. So that's all water there. That's not the Superclean. Okay, so you can see. Here, let's scrape one spot here. Okay, honestly, this side isn't as bad as the other side. I really screwed this up. Anyway, watch this stuff go on. It's like tire spray, kind of. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Let's just do it all. And then I'm gonna step back so I don't get that in my face. Yeah, that's down to the paint right there. A little bit of gunk that's kind of stuck. I don't know what kind of gunk it is. Dirt, sand. Yeah, a little bit of agitation in it. It helps. Maybe maybe we'll make my brush all gross again. I'm not pushing very hard. Look how brown that stuff is. Look at that. Oh, I'm running out of water. All right, well, I think that's good. Let's get in close here. Okay, we can see paint now. So you can kind of see where this is where I brushed, right? This is where I brushed here, and you can actually see paint. And right here, I didn't brush this or this side. I mean, oh, did I even spray that side? That's really gooey. Oh boy. You can see over here I didn't spray any, or very little. Let's see. Yeah, that's solid right there. This gets a little gooier and then it's kind of gone here. Kind of scraped it a little bit. This side I hit with wire brush. It's pretty smooth actually. I'd say this stuff works. All right, so there you go. There's a little quick review of a free product. You know, I'd say it works. Definitely follow the labels on the back. For some reason, when I saw it said biodegradable and something, oh, biodegradable detergents. For some reason, I thought that would be, I kind of meant that it was, you know, not real toxic, but that's not necessarily how it is. This stuff is pretty tough. And when I was looking at the flyer while I was waiting for it to soak, what does it say here? It says something about the acid level. Oh, so it's very alkaline. Oh, hey, look at that. It does say where to use full strength and whatnot. It helps if you read the instructions sometimes. Well, that was fun. This is a little bit different video. If you look at my channel page, it says something like custom cars, fabrication, curiosity. I'm going to file this under the curiosity part because this was, I was curious how it would work. And I think I'm going to continue to use it. And I have no idea if it's good value because I never looked up how much it cost. If you guys have used it, let me know. If you want to see more oddball stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks to Mike for the free goodies. Go check out the MKS YouTube channel. I'll put a picture, link, I don't know. You can also search for him. And we'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for stopping by.